Hi, I'm Mel's Back's friend, and this is my, let's see here, I think, yeah, 10th episode of Computers for Dummies, and my 5th episode of the C++ tutorial series. Today, I'll be showing you regexes. I know, not the main tutorials cover it, as it was something added in C++11. But I'm going to go over it right now. It's quite simple, actually. So let's see here. What do I want to call this? Uh, you know what? Let's just call it. So you're going to want to do hashtag include. Sorry, I'm used to other IDs where you can complete like that. Hashtag include regex, because that's what we're dealing with. And hashtag include string. Sorry, it's not how you spell string. And as always, don't forget your argc and argv. So here's how you do it. So if std regex match, and then let's do argv1 comma std regex. And then here we'll do, don't forget your semicolons. No semicolon there, it's an if statement, sorry. My brain's on dial-up. What you do want is that. So now what you put in here, this is kind of special. So what you put in here is like a string, that's a special kind of string. One where if you put in std regex, if you put it in there, it will know that it's a regex. And regex is a special format of string where you put in a certain combination of things, and it's a way to match strings containing a certain kind of thing. So for this example, I'll give a few examples like B L O pipe RICK. You know what? I should probably also do this. Dot asterisk and dot asterisk. STD colon C out arrow. What you typed in contains either the word. Now here's a useful tip here. Backslash quotation mark is how you put in a quotation mark. Block or brick. Wait, for exception safety, you know what I should do? If argc is equal to 2, should just do that for exception safety. Because you know what happened without that line of code there? If argc is equal to 2, without that line of code, and you just put in the name of the program, it would crash. The reason why it would crash is because it would try to look for an index that doesn't exist. Now let's build. Now let's browse to our program and run it. Let's see here. This is just a joke. It's not actually what it looks like. It's just a joke. It's not actually what it really is. It's not actually what it says it is. Mm. Oh, you know what I should do? Now let's put in something that does not match the regex. See that? Basically, a regex. Let's go more in depth about this. So the parentheses mean to make it a string instead of a character, I think is what it was. Like basically group it together. The parentheses are to group it together. This symbol right here called a pipe, what that does it is like or. So LO or RI. And dot means any character except for a new line. New line means like /n right here. Asterisk means any number of times including 0. So like this means it will match anything containing either the word block or brick unless there's a new line. There is a way you can make it work with new lines as well, and it's to replace the dot with this. Backslash, no, backslash D, backslash D. So let's explain that here really quick. So backslash is like C++'s way of just a backslash. It's like that in other programming languages too, but I'm just saying C++ because that's what this tutorial is teaching. So that's basically how you type in a backslash in C++. Because, you know, a backslash is used for other things too, like this, yeah. So the way you type in a backslash is just two of them. And in a regex, backslash D, like lowercase d, means a number. Backslash capital D means anything that's not a number. So like, if it's not a number, that means that it could be a new line. And square brackets mean, what square brackets mean is they mean anything that any character in there will match. And I already said what the asterisk means. Remember, this is C++11 and onward. The newest C++ version is C++20. So C++11, C++14, C++17, and C++20 are C++ versions that support this. C++98 does not support this. That is a really old version of C++ though, so you shouldn't be using it. And yeah, that's how you work with regexes in C++. This is Mel's Back's friend signing off.